Welcome back to Kissimmee, Florida, the Mecum Auctions event. We're walking through, there's about 4,000 cars here, but this thing really got our attention. It's a cool combination. You've got a 32 Ford pickup truck that's got crazy patina on it. Some of it seems like it may be fake patina, but it's got some real stuff, real rust right there. But 32 Ford pickup, and it's towing an old race car. This thing is just the coolest combination. In the back of the truck, we've got some flathead cylinder heads, Offenhauser, a dual carb intake for a flathead V8. Really cool stuff. And this old race car is just amazing. It looks like maybe a Model T based frame that's been modified. You can see the welds where they've kicked the frame rails up in the back and got a little boat tail on the back. This thing is just killer. I don't know exactly what engine's in there, but assuming that all this other stuff is Ford based, it's probably got a Model A based Ford engine, 4-cylinder, but this thing is just killer. The patina, once again, I don't know if the patina is real, but it is real cool. Look at that cockpit, just enough room to squeeze yourself in there, put your legs wherever they go. I don't really know where they fit in there, but just absolutely cool. Of course, it does have Firestone bias ply tires on it. These are 750 16s, and then we've got some smaller ones on the front. Those are actually Excelsiors, 17-inch wheels on the front. And then on the tow truck here, the Offenhauser shop truck, it's got a set of our tires too. It's got radials actually. They're our bias look radials in the Excelsior Stall Sport 500 R16. And then Coker Classic, bigger ones on the back, maybe a 700 R16 on some factory type steel wheels. Just a cool combination, lots of cool patina, lots of wow factor. This thing has got crowds around it all day long. Just gets a lot of attention because this patina on here, as you can see, there is some texture to that. There's texture around the hinges. All the places where it would normally get pitted, whoever did the patina on this thing did a good job preserving what was naturally there and adding to it to give you this really good barn fresh look. You could park this combination next to any fully restored car, and this is going to get the attention. Just look, 67 Corvette Resto Mod, probably a $200,000 build. And then you got a crowd around this. So cool to see how they've put this together. The old school tow bar, everything about this car appears to be correct. Got friction shocks on it, original style, maybe a Model A axle. Tow bar connecting the two of them. And you'll see here the old lettering. You'll see the old lettering and the decals. Really neat. Gas can just in case. And then inside the old truck, it's pretty stripped down in here. I'm not sure that seat would be very comfortable, but it looks cool. Got some more old school decals. Really nice. It looks like it's got a small block Chevy tucked away in there, which again kind of points me to the fact that the patina may not be original on this. It may be made up. That's okay because it looks really cool.